Presently, AMP trades close at 0.005, the EMA 50 is currently at 0.005 in an unobtrusive manner and confronts medium-term opposition at 0.006, or so they in every practical sense believed. Currently, the EMA 50 is showing truly descending development. 0 to 2 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through the AMP cost examination for now or for roughly the next week, and attempt to address these routinely clarified some things facts. What is the explicit short-term cost forecast for AMP? Fundamentally, AMP's interest in a purchase and massive AMP support and obstruction levels, etc., are extremely prudent. 0 to 2 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or next week and really attempt to answer these the majority of the time, particularly if you need clarification on pressing matters. Facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for AMP is genuinely astute intrigue in an unpretentious way. However, before jumping profoundly into the AMP specialized examination sort of enabled us to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a substantial way. Analysis of the market over the past 24 hours reveals a decline of 1.84, bringing the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies to $1,195,617,917.172, and indicating that the current exchange rate is $0.005 per coin. The 50-day exponential moving average is currently at 0.005 and the total trading volume remains at 2,477,659,7794, which is by and large extremely significant. Bitcoin accounts for 49.56% of the entry market, whereas Ethereum has a 16.33% market share as of July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the AMP cost examination for now or for a week from now, and we'll endeavor to answer these frequently asked questions in every way that matters. Facts. What truly is for the most part momentary cost expectation for AMP by and large is AMP's sort of wise interest in a kind of enormous manner which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19, which most certainly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours or so they truly thought while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents. Following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span and a very significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.54 and presently exchanging at 48 cents in a, for the most part, huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in a steam or so they really thought. These occasions, for the most part, show that the market in a real sense is going in and in every way that really matters descending, bearing for sort of present moment or so they truly thought. Right now, as of 0 to 2 July 2023, the entire cryptocurrency market is displaying a genuinely extensive and regrettable decline. In this video, we will walk you through the AMP cost exam for this week or the week after, and endeavor to answer the most frequently asked questions about AMP cost. What is generally temporary cost expectation for AMP? Is AMP in a particularly wise venture, somewhat contrary to conventional wisdom? Support and obstruction. Support and resistance are significant technical markers used to identify key price levels where the trend can change direction, or so they believed. Support is a level at which purchasers buy and become more dynamic, preventing the coin's price from falling any further. Opposition is a level at which sellers become more dynamic and prevent the coin's price from falling any further. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents after a value change of 0.97 within the same time frame or so they thought. Similarly, opposition is a level at which sellers typically become especially dynamic and prevent the coin's price from moving higher. Fundamentally, further appearance yet before plunging into the AMP specialized examination. Explicitly, let us certainly discuss the sort of opposition. The cost of AMP by and large is at 0.005 down 2.27 in the especially beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 0.26 over the course of the week in an extremely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially absolute market cap came to 206,066,187 United States dollars, exhibiting that AMP record sort of descending development today, or so they especially thought. They basically are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 9921,340. 8535, which really is very huge. AMP value examination, AMP cost investigation for 0 to July 2023 insight, and in every practical sense day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, or so they basically thought. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI moving pretty normal combination and difference MACD backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving kind of normal small and remarkable moving commonly normal EMA to fundamentally break down the future development of the AMP, which especially is very critical. While AMP's Williams % marker in every practical sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange type of sign explicitly is possible at this point X, demonstrating how we use the relative strength index RSI moving average union and uniqueness, MACD backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including all things considered, straightforward moving truly normal little and outstanding moving truly normal EMA to dissect the future development of the AMP, or so they thought. The MACD line is sort of remaining underneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, demonstrating how furthermore the AMP's future development will be influenced. Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after a loss of 0.77 in value, which is a significant drop. Investors should watch for a change in direction in the stock's daily chart. The level at which sellers become fundamentally dynamic and effectively prevent the coin's price from rising in every practical sense is a level at which additional resistance appears to exist. Prior to launching into a fairly in-depth AMP specialized examination, additional investigation is still required. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024.